Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 8.2 question number 5. So look at the question, all the angles are special angles. Cosecant, cos squared 60, secant squared 30, tan squared 45 and sin and cos with 30 degrees given. So all the angles are special angles. Special angle is nothing but these angles only, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 are special angles. All the angles will be having the values, but these are all some special angles. We can keep it in our mind very easily. So sine, so how to write the sine value alone, you can keep it in mind. The remaining values you can write very easily. So sine, first 0 should be start with 0, then we have to go for 1 by 2, then you should write 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and your 1. So this is a sine value. Same way you can say these are all the cosecant values also. Cosecant is nothing but sine reciprocal. Cosecant is nothing but reciprocal. So cosecant 30 means 2 by 1. Cosecant 45 means root 2 by 1. Cosecant means only the reciprocal we have to do. To find the cos value, just write as it is, reversing order. This 1 should be written here. This root 3 by 2 and this 1 by root 2 and this 1 by 2 and this 0 should be taken. So these are all the cos values directly. Now suppose if you want to find the secant value, just a reciprocal you have to do. Reciprocal. Root 3 by 2 means 2 by root 3 is the value of the secant we can say. So tan theta value, tan theta is nothing but sine by cos. If you are dividing these two, you will be getting the answer. So here we are getting 0 by 1 will give you 0. Here when we are dividing these two number by 2 will get cancelled. So numerator is 1, denominator is root 3. So 1 by root 3 we can write. 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Numerator, denominator both are same. It will become 1. Here denominator 2 will get cancelled. So root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. So this is a sine tan values directly. If you want to get the cot value, you can do 1 by tan theta. That means we can do the reciprocal of this to write your cot value. By using the table only we are going to solve this problem now. So here let us take the value from the table. 5 you write as it is. Cos 60 square. Cos squared 60 or cos 60 squared also we can say. So cos 60, what is the value? Check it in table. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So we can write it 1 by 2 the whole square plus this 4 will come as it is. Secant squared 30. That means secant 30 we should write. Secant 30 is a cos reciprocal. So cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So secant 30 will be 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 the whole square. Minus tan 45. Tan 45 is 1. So write it 1 square because square is given. So 1 square will be 1 only. Sin squared 30. So sin 30 value we should square. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus cos 30 square. So cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 square we have to write. Now let's do the simplification. So this 5 is coming as it is. When you are squaring numerator also you should square, denominator also you should square. So 1 by 4 plus here also keep this 4 as it is. Inside the square will be going for 2 as well as for root 3. When you are squaring the 2, 2's are it will become 4. So here root 3 into root 3 will give you 3. How it is means root 3 into root 3 will give you actually root 9. Root 9 value is nothing but 3 only, no? Because 9 can be written as 3 into 3. Square root 1 number will come out of the root. So any number with the square root if you are multiplying, the number will be coming out as the answer. So 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 we can write it. Because there is no denominator, we are taking into 1. So here let's do the simplification. Denominator, when the square will be going inside, so 1 square will become 1. Here denominator also will become the square, so 2 square will give you 4. This plus sign, root 3 square value is 3. So numerator will become 3. 2 square will become 4. So we need to do the simplification for the numerator and denominator once again. So for numerator, whenever we are multiplying, this is 5 by 1. So 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. So we are getting 5 by 4 plus here this is 4 by 1 only. There is no denominator means we should write the denominator as 1. 4 4s are 16, 1 3s are 3. So 16 by 3. Then minus 1 by 1 we are getting. Denominator already both the denominators are same. So we can take it as a 1 common denominator. So that will become 1 plus 3. Because both are same we can join together and write it. For 4, 3 and 1. For 4, 3 and 1. What is the LCM? We should find out. There is no common table for 4 and 3 and 1. To find the LCM value, just multiple all these 3 numbers. 4 3s are 12. So 12 is your LCM. So whenever you don't get any common tables for all these numbers, we can go for the multiplication of all the numbers. So LCM is 12. So here we are going to apply the LCM value is 12 only. So for the numerator, we are writing 12 because 12 is our LCM. Look at the first number, we have 4. So 4 into what number will bring you 12? 4 3s are only, will bring the 12. The same 3 should be multiple here also. 5 3s are 15. Next number here 3 is given. The 3 is also changed into 12. Multiplying by 4 will give you the 12. So numerator also should multiply by 4. So 16 4s are, it will be 64. And minus, here only 1 is there. 1 should become 12. So that should multiple with 12. Numerator also should multiple with 12. So 1 into 12 will give you 12. By denominator 1 plus 3 is 4 by 4. 4 by 4 will get cancelled as 1. So denominator 1 has no value. You can leave that. Let's go to the numerator now. So here we have, this is 64. 15 minus 12 will give you 3 divided by this 12. So 64 plus 3 is 67 by 12. That is your correct answer. This denominator 1 you can leave as it is because all the numbers are having denominator as 1. It has no value. You can leave that. So 67 by 12 is your correct answer. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.